I am remembering an incident which happened in 2000. That means nearly 18 years ago. And that was a very important moment in my life when I first time met Sunil Swamiji. It was in Trivandrum. I had gone there for a concert, and I had some ailment, and especially in my movements, sitting or standing up, or something was there seriously ill. And I've been going to Bhagwan Satya Sai Baba since 1969, and this was in 2000. And I had this physical problem which started few months ago, and that evening when I finished my concert, I couldn't stand up from the stage. I was helped to get up and go back to the green room. I came back to the hotel. Next day I was supposed to leave for Bombay, but whole night I was screaming with pain all over the body, and I was praying to Bhagwan Baba, please help me. I got up. No, I was awake all night, but I had put a DND on my phone. I had told the hotel operator, don't give me any phone calls till 8 o'clock in the morning. Sharp at 1 minute past 8 o'clock, I got a phone call. An unknown person talking in broken English and telling me, Bhagwan Baba Vibhuti want meet you, something which was not clear to me what he was trying to convey. What could I understand was he wanted to meet me and give some vibhuti. And he mentioned Satya Sai Baba's name, that he has asked me to come. So first question I asked him, I was wondering how this guy, unknown person, how does he know what problem I have got? So first question I asked was, were you there in the concert last night? He said, which concert? So then somebody else took the phone from the other end, and that guy was fluent in English, and he told me the whole story. He said, this is Sunil Das ji talking to you, and he is a devotee of Satya Sai Baba, and he got a message today at 3 in the morning or sometimes around, and Baba gave him all your details, that he is my son, he is in hotel so and so, room number so and so, and he is not well, you go and give him vibhuti. I couldn't believe it. I tried to avoid. I said, I don't have any time, I have to go to the airport, I have to catch a flight, and because normally I don't meet unknown people. Sometimes people come and tell me we are very close to Baba or we are his messengers. I don't take them seriously. So I tried to avoid. I said, okay, now it is 8 o'clock. If you can make it by 8:45, you come, I will meet you, otherwise I am leaving by 9 o'clock. Before 8:45, he was there with another person and he gave me vibhuti and not much talking. Then some sweet. He said, yesterday Bhagwan Baba sent me this. He is in Whitefield, Bangalore. So after the bhajan, this prasadam was distributed. Now this happened in Whitefield in Bangalore and we are in Trivandrum. It was not, I wasn't able to understand what is going on. Anyhow, that was our meeting. I did not ask his name. I did not ask for his telephone number, his address. He didn't ask my telephone number and I left. I left for Bombay. When I reached home, after 2 hours, I think in 2000 there was no mobile system. After a couple of hours, my reaching in Mumbai as my residence, I got a phone call on my landline. And I picked up the phone, same person talking, Sairam. I said, who gave you my telephone number? He says, Bhagwan Baba has given. And you are coming to Chennai next week. And Bhagwan Baba has told me to come and meet you there. I was really astonished. How come he knows all this? Although he was mentioning about Baba, but I could not believe it, that is it real? And now he's calling on my home phone number and I never gave him my number. Anyhow, next week I was going to Chennai. He came over there and he brought some oil and that boy was along with him. I'm talking about Sunil Swamiji. Now we know him as Sunil Swamiji. And then he gave me that massage. Then we were sitting there. I was sitting on the bed. He was on the chair in front of me. And in between, all the time he was telling, Swami is sitting next to you. I couldn't see. He said, he meant Satya Sai Baba was sitting next to me. I could not see Baba, but I am seeing him. And then suddenly he, raised his hand and what big bowl of some like a laddu came in his hand. Very nice fragrance of sandalwood. He said, Baba has given me just now. And he started doing that massage of that stuff on my body. This was happening, an unbelievable thing, but it was happening. After a while, when that whole stuff was finished, he said, now you go. I had a concert in the evening in Chennai somewhere. So he told me, now you go and take shower. I was about to get up. He said, wait. He put his hands like this next to me. He said, Baba is giving something. There was very hot, fresh vibhuti. Full thing in his both the hands, so much vibhuti. He said, you eat this. When I tried to eat, it was burning hot. He said, you eat it, Baba is saying, you have to take this. I tried to manage to eat that whole stuff. It was so much hot. And this was the episode twice which happened with me. Afterwards, when I went back home, I landed at Mumbai airport. My son Rahul had come to pick me up from the airport and I was walking straight. So first question Rahul asked me, Papa, what happened? How you are fine? I said, this happened over there. After this episode, I used to keep on going to Puttaparthi regularly. In one of our visits, my wife was also with me. Baba called us for interview, and I said, Baba, we met some person called Sunil Das ji. Who is he? Baba changed the topic. Started talking something else. I wanted to clarify from Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba about this episode. What is this? Who is this man? 3-4 times we tried. My wife was also asking. Baba would change the topic and start something else. We persisted. Then very hurriedly, casually he said, Sunil Das is a very good man. He gives very good Ayurvedic medicines. That's all. Then he started talking something else. We could not probe much more. Afterwards, now by that time, I had Sunilji's number with me. I called him. I said, this is what Satya Sai Baba told about you. He said, I don't know anything about Ayurveda. He gives me everything. And whatever treatment I gave you, it came from him. I did not create that. Okay, he had said that I give Ayurveda medicine, maybe he means something. Because whatever Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba says, comes true. It has to be. He is Bhagavan. So, now something is being launched. The medicines which are Ayurveda medicines. I think this was predicted by Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba 17-18 years ago. Is coming true. Sai Ram.